Hello, and welcome to another update video as we are heading into a new trading week. It was an interesting one. It was a really interesting week in crypto last week, and now welcome to the new week. And it's all about this structure here, this corrective structure that we are playing out. I want to focus on the micro count in this video. If you want to see a little bit more context, I think I provided plenty of context in the last couple of days. So check out one of the previous videos. I explained all the larger degree wave counts in the previous video. So here in this case, in this video, it's really all about, okay, do we get another low or not? At the moment, I expect another low that could hit 1535 or 1457. We have to give it space, potentially all the way down to $1,300 to $1,200. But probably not in the next move down. What I expect is either one more low and then a rally in a third wave, or one more low and then a larger corrective rally. If the next rally is corrective, we will have some clarity and will expect another 5-wave move to the downside afterwards. But that will depend on the structure of the next rally. But until then, one more low is expected, 1535, next target, and then 1457. However, we will be able to specify that a little bit further because we can use the Fibonacci extension. So what we do, we take the length of waves 1 to 3. Yeah, and then, okay, then it depends on how high does the wave 4 go, right? I mean, that is something I cannot really determine at this stage. It ideally goes a little higher. We're going to take a look at that on the smaller time frame. But even if it goes a little higher, it wouldn't, the first target you see down there, the 38.2 extension level, depending on where it lands, but it wouldn't move far away from the 78.6 Fib level at 1535. So there's the first overlap. Yeah. So we will pay attention to that level around 1535. And let's zoom into the micro structure. So one more low is expected at the moment until price breaks above 1723, because if it does that, the move up would be a little bit too strong to be likely still a wave 4. And then we have the first piece of evidence that a low is already in. However, then a bunch of other questions will come up. Okay, is it corrective? Is it impulsive? Maybe even a diagonal. It's a bit too early for that. But at least it would be a first indication that the low is in. As I said, then a break above 1800 will make that even clearer. Now, I gave my best now to give you a microstructure here. I mean, there are different ways always how you can count such a wave, such a correction, but it looks like that we formed off this third wave low an A wave to the upside. We fulfilled actually a B wave triangle as it seems. So these are never very reliable structures, but it seems like that price formed indeed a triangle here over the weekend. Yeah? Now, in my opinion, this triangle could break to the upside if this is really an Elliott wave triangle in which an A wave, obviously the A wave completed. This is a B wave triangle with 5 waves. It could have broken to the upside technically, because that move up above the D wave high is typically the first indication that we have a break of the triangle. However, it always needs to be confirmed with a break above the B wave high. So I cannot fully confirm the triangle is broken, but what you would expect in this triangle, if it's a B wave triangle, that there will be a C wave rally afterwards that could reach 1723 pretty much, basically. Yeah. I mean, you see, I often say that the 38.2 Fib level is the ideal target for a fourth wave. You can see where we're hovering. We're just hovering below that level. Now, looking at the microstructure, a triangle is always a 5-wave move, and you expect a breakout to the opposite side of the E wave. Now, it could be that this is the D wave of the triangle and the E wave, so it basically makes one more higher low. That's of course possible until the B wave is broken, and it's not yet. You can go with this. Yeah. So I would prefer this. It looks better from a micro count point of view, but in this scenario, price must stay above 1663. So 1663 is micro support. A break above the D wave, and now, B wave high as per this wave count would indicate we are rallying higher in a C wave, and I would then pay attention to that 1720 level up there. If we break down, a first indication, or actually good confirmation that we're coming down already in the 5th wave, would be a break below 1605. Okay, so if price breaks below 1605, we are already heading downward directly. But until then, I would expect that this is a B wave triangle, which could rally higher in a C wave. Yes, looking at the proportions, the C wave should be a little bit longer than just reaching to 1720, but there is the next fib level. Above that, I've got 1800 as key resistance, yeah? So at the moment, very short term, yeah, as long as we're holding, and that's really the micro perspective, as long as we're holding above the C wave high, yeah, 1662, higher is expected with resistance at 1723 and $1,800. That's what I would pay attention to. And based on this wave count, yeah, another leg higher is expected. But yeah, the resistances are well known. I mean, you can even look at the next fib level, but it would be too strong for a wave 4. Okay, so there you go. If we add the golden ratio, it's at 1760. Yeah, and then a break below 1605 would most likely send us down directly. Yeah, and at the moment, one more low is expected, and then we will see, due to the structure of the next rally, what implications it will have on the bigger picture. That's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.